Hey everybody, it's Neil. Check out what I have here. I have a 8-in-1 USB-C dock. And so the way this works, this plugs in the USB-C, and this is going to give me two USB 5 gigabit ports, a 5 gigabit USB-C port, a headphone port, and on the other side, two HDMI ports, and then a PD 100 watt port. I think that's where I can power it in. So basically I'll just plug it into my Mac here, and then I can just plug in my two monitors and get it working. But I'll do that, but I mean, it'll just basically let me connect them both and extend to two monitors. But how cool is that? And then I've got the better regular USB ports as well, so I can plug in some of my other stuff into it too. So really cool little device here. And I guess by doing that PD 100 watt, if I had it, this is in my Mac Mini, if I plugged it into my laptop, I could actually plug in the power cord into here, and it'll power this and power everything just at the one plug. So I just have the one plug to power my laptop and get it all going. Just so in connections and everything, it's pretty cool to be able to just do it all through one. So very cool little device here. I'm gonna say thumbs up. Really great. Good thought on that.